Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a straight road MILS plate that is scaled for LEGO vehicles for today's LEGO brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 32 by 32 stud base plate. You can use any color you wish. I'm going to take a 1 by 2 by 2 corner plate. I'm going to set this down where it's 5 studs from the left hand side and 1 stud down. Then I'm going to set down a 2 by 4 plate right here. Now below this I want to skip 2 studs and set down a 2 by 6 plate. Then I'm going to proceed on with 4 more 2 by 6 plates. So I'm going to skip a set of studs there. We're going to skip 4 studs here. Skip another 4 studs and a set of studs there. Then set down a 2 by 4 plate here and a 1 by 2 by 2 corner plate in this area. Now I want to mirror this pattern onto this side. Now right in the center I'm going to set down a 2 by 4 plate. This is going to prevent our road plates from sagging in the middle, and then I'm going to set one here on the end and let's set one right in the middle. And then we're going to repeat this up here as well with several more 2 by 4 plates. Take a pair of 16 by 16 stud road plates. I'm going to set these right on top of our 2 by plates. And you're really going to need to press these down firm. We want these to be securely fastened. We don't want the asphalt to come up while we're driving down the road. That won't be too pleasant to get into an accident on this road. Now I want to expand my road out 1 more stud on both sides. So I'm going to take 8 1 by 8 plates. I'm going to place 4 on the left and 4 on the right hand side. Now let's fill in all these holes. I'm going to start with a set of 2 by 4 flat tiles with a line printed on them. I'm going to set these right in the center. Now if you choose, you don't have to put the line in the middle. You can just leave this as a one-way street. And I'm going to fill in the other 6 2 by 4 holes with 6 2 by 4 flat tiles. Let's plug all that up. We want this to be a really smooth ride here. Now if you're going to join these up with my other modular road plates, you can put 2 by 4 tiles here, but for this demonstration I'm going to fill in these 4 areas with 1 by 4 flat tiles. And in the 8 remaining areas, 8 more 1 by 4 flat tiles. Now I'm going to add some gutters on the side of my roads. I'm going to start placing down a set of 1 by 8 flat tiles. This is going to simulate like the little drainage area for the gutter. And then I'm going to place 8 1 by 6 flat tiles in these remaining areas. I want to add a storm drain on both sides of my road. This is completely optional, so I'm going to take a set of 1 by 4 flat tiles and set these in these 2 areas. This is going to act as a bit of a dark shadow, and a set of 1 by 4 bricks. Now let's start building up the MILS portion of our road. So I'm going to fill in these areas around the edges of our storm drain with a set of 1 by 2 by 2 corner bricks and place some down here as well. Now let's start building up the back portion of our gutter and the strength for our sidewalk, starting with a 2 by 4 brick. Then I'm going to set down a pair of 2 by 6 bricks followed by a pair of 2 by 4 bricks. And we're going to do this on the other side. Now take a 1 by 4 Technic brick. I'm going to place a 1 by 4 plate right on top, make 4 of these, and I'm going to set these right inside the mouth of our 1 by 2 by 2 corner bricks. This is going to be used to attach other MILS plates to this plate. Now let's set down a 2 by 2 brick in the top left, followed by a 1 by 4 Technic brick. Let's place 5 2 by 4 bricks along the left. Now if you want, you can leave one of these out. So if you want to run electrical wiring underneath your road, you can connect them to other adjoining buildings. And we're going to wrap this up with a 1 by 4 Technic brick and a 2 by 2 brick right in that area. And we're going to repeat this on the right hand side. Take 16 2x4 plates. We're going to place 8 on the left and 8 on the right hand side to level everything off. Now it's time to add the top portion of our curb. We're going to take several 1x8 flat tiles. I'm going to place these right over my storm drain, and I'm going to proceed on. Now if you would like to change the color of your curb, you can just simply change the tiles. Makes it really universal. So we're going to finish up this side as well. Get those filled in there, and it's also the right height. Let's start paving our sidewalk, starting with a 1x6 flat tile. We're going to set that right there. Then a 6x6 flat tile. Place that right down. Now this is fully customizable. If you want to leave some of this open for street furniture, you can fill that in with bricks and set a couple of plates in here. Let's repeat this pattern 7 more times. There is our straight road MILS plate. Pretty sturdy, doesn't twist, and it's pretty lightweight. Sometimes you're really going to have to mush these tiles down. But it is fully compatible, and it is left hollow, so if you choose to run electrical under your roads, you can easily do so. So you can snap this onto a few modulars and make more straightway roads to expand on the series.